Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Big up to Real Flankers, first of all. This video is towards, I want to make sure I tag him to this video definitely, because he's the one that sponsors this video. So big up to Real Flankers, guys. Make sure you go over Real Flankers channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, and give him that support. Really, trust me, guys. He's from New York, New Jersey side, and it's pretty cold up there. So today's video, guys, we presenting a fishing rod that Real Flankers sent for Chris. I don't know if you guys remember Chris from some of my last video. Chris just came out of the hospital, guys. Chris just had appendicitis, and it kind of messed him up pretty bad. If you notice, he lost a little bit of weight just as well. And I'll be like, yo, dogs, you come out and go fishing and do some exercising and thing after you get better and thing. And he was able to come out today, guys. He was actually in good health to push out today. That he said, all right, Jerry, after you get off work, I'm gonna link up with you and go so and we're gonna spool up the rod and get his rod ready. So big up yourself, guys. So I want you guys to see, I kind of broke it in half. It's pretty long. It's like a 8-footer, and Real Flankers had sent this down for Chris, for him to have his own gears, for him to go out fishing, and he also sent him some line. So what we're gonna do here today, guys, we're gonna actually spool this line onto Chris's new reel. Alright, so we're gonna spool him up and get him ready and set him up. By the way, Chris, your new fishing rod, bro. You know what I'm saying? So this is Chris's new fishing rod, guys, that's sent down by Real Flankers, and Chris has a new setup now that me and him can go out together. He has his own gear, I got my own gear. He's feeling comfortable because this is his. You know what I'm saying? Not many people feel comfortable using other people's gears because they feel they might break something because they're new to the thing. But I saw fishing set, things break and things go bad. It always happens. I mean, my lure fishing rod just went. My reel went, the anti-reverse, when I serviced it, put it back together, it's still giving trouble. I gotta send it back to Daiwa. I haven't had the chance to do that. I'm waiting for the new reel to arrive so I can switch it over, and then I can continue on with the show. Right, guys? We're gonna hook up on something. And Hartman Adventures and Tony D, when I want to no go on like say when I want to go and thump in my ribs with barra killing and all these things. Just stay tuned. We're already up phone already. You hear me? So, yo, without further ado, guys, we're gonna get this rod reeled up, and let me get this line out of here real quick. He also sent some casking, and casking makes very good lines. I don't know if you guys know this. They make one of the lines that I love using the most. So each time that I reel one of my lines, we're gonna start Chris off with mono and get him used to it, guys. And this is pretty strong line. So what I normally do, I just drop this reel into something, and I'll get the rod. Let me see that fishing rod, brother. I'm gonna help Chris out because he's not so 100 today, guys. So I'm gonna help him get this set up and show him how to get his line set up. I want to get that line in here, into the first loop, bring it down, and then we're gonna unlock the bail like this, get that open, and then we'll get a uni tie in here, a small uni tie. We're not gonna make such a great uni tie, but we want to make sure we catch it right in the middle of the reel. So being that I do this by myself all the time, so I do a quick uni tie, guys, and make sure that line locks real good. So I'll give it 3-4 wrap. This is a light line, so I can go a little bit more. And I get that lock in there. This line is pretty light, so you won't see it as much, guys. Chris hasn't gotten nylon yet, which he will eventually in due time. He'll definitely get some nylon in there. I'm trying to find my lighter to burn off the end here, so I have a light, small edge sticking up. Make sure that's locked, and that's good. So after we do that now, guys, what we're gonna do is lock the bail, drop it in the seat. So you have that bail seat, bring your hand up here on the reel, and make sure that the drag is locked, and you just keep tension on it, guys, and just go ahead and wind them on there. Just know that your hands are gonna get hot. You might want to use a rag when doing this, and get that line on as tight as possible, guys. Keep a little tension on it. That reel is not going all over the place. Just going on there real quick, guys. So you continue this until the reel fills up. The reel is definitely gonna fill up, guys. So big up to Real Flankers, guys. Remember to go over his channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. This is Jamaican Shore Fishing, and I hope you enjoy these videos. And we out here like this, guys. Let's put it together for Chris. And so he can get out there. My brother's going to be out there with us as soon as he heals up 100. He's definitely going to be out there with us, guys. Definitely going to be out there fishing and getting it together. Casting 12-pound line, which is very strong. I have a Penn 12-pound, but damn, that thing is strong. And the reason why I give him this line, he'll have a longer cast if he has an option to use lures if he chooses to. And you still will have extra line left over. Whole lot of extra line. So big up the Real Flankers, man. Send him like 1,000 yards of line. Yeah, man. Oh, black sun.
Yeah, black sun.
Oh, Oral.
Yeah.
Big up to Oral, same way. Oral and G. Oral and one of G, same way, guys. So we're almost done with this, guys. So stay tuned to Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're going to make this an uncut video. No cuts in this. Straight through. All the way through, guys. And I think we reached our mark. We don't want to go over the edge too much. Let's put a little extra on there. Perfect, guys. And we fill them up. And this is what his reel looks like filled up, guys. Full up. He'll be alright. You know what I mean? So we got him wind up. We're gonna put on a little bit more. Make sure that he's good. In case anything gives him any problems later. I don't really like monofilament line, guys. Trust me on that. But Chris will be fine with this. He's good. Got him all spooled up. Hold this, Chris. Now we're going to get him his line hooked up properly here, guys. So let's cut this line off here. And let's get him strung up that he can have his line set up for fishing at any time. So we'll get this line through here, guys. Major good move for Chris to get on the water with this new rod. Yeah. I can't wait. I'm excited to see you fish with this rod, Chris, because guess what? I think you're gonna kill some big fish, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some fish, man.
Yeah, bro. Chris is finally gonna get on the water with his own gears, guys. I'm real happy for that. And he has his own setup now, right there. I want to get a swivel on here for him, so he can take off and remove rigs as he please. This is how I set up all my rods, guys. So put on a really nice swivel right there. These ones are hooked together. Problem there. I'll just grab another one. I'm not really into the nonsense right now, bro. Look like all of them are hooked together. There you go. Got one right here now. So we add this swivel to the end of it, guys, so that way you could change off your rigs anytime you feel like it.
What do you call it, rigs?
Yeah, your rigs, your over under rigs, your Carolina rigs, your drop line, any one of your drop line rigs, bro. So I do a uni knot on this, And you guys seen on my last live the uni knot video. And that's it. Chris is ready right now, guys. His fishing rod is set up for fishing now. Brother is good to go. His line is ready. So all he has to do is drop a fishing rig on this right now. And he's good to go, guys. So big up yourself, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys joining us to the short video. It was nothing long. It was just getting Chris set up and get him spooled up and getting him his fishing rod and line. So congratulations, my brother.
Yes, sir.
See you on the
Thank
water,
you.
bro. So what do you want to tell the viewers?
Yeah, man, I'm feeling very well to the experience of me getting a new fishing rod. First using a fishing rod, but hopefully it will go well with me.
Alright,
I'll
guys.
just try till I get it perfect.
Alright, guys. So big up yourself. That was from Chris, guys. So stay tuned for the next epic adventure. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.